What if there is no solution to this problem? What if we're going through a global economical crisis? What if I die? What if things don't change? What if is the worst virus ever? You can wash your hands all day because you were told to. You might kill a few germs, but you won't kill the worst virus ever. Fear. So keep that in mind. Again, the fact that we're all isolated is such a great opportunity to discover some inner resources that we might not know of. Just before that, most of us, like me here, were caught up with lots of business. Things need to be done. Maybe tomorrow. I don't have time. But now we have the time. We have the time to slow down. We have the time to rethink, reset, restart, completely new. So here's my invitation today. How about if you make the switch between the doing operating system, the DOS, to the BOS, the being operating system, in which you can introduce new things in your life, in which you can just slow down, can start to pay attention to things you don't do anymore only because you're too busy. By using common sense as a valuable metric, you can re-explore your senses and come in places like here to really understand the value of nature in our life. You see, nature is the only place where you don't have to check if what comes your way is true or not. Okay, there's no fake news here. No one to impress. This is just a place where you can nurture yourself directly from the source. And that itself can kill way more germs than you can imagine. So go ahead, continue to live the life that you were told to. Make sure you clean your hands. Make sure you keep a distance from others, but get closer than ever from nature. And at the end, what matters most is to let go of all the what if and replace the what if with how. How can I be of service? How can I be a change maker? How can I live in a new world where peace, harmony, joy, everything that you are so much in need for, it's up to you, folks. It's up to me. It's up to you. It's up to us. And all together, we can make a huge difference.